Sin to the power of 3x cos to the power of 3x dx. Here where m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. Therefore m is equal to n. Then t, what we have to take? What we have to take? We can take sin x or we can take cos x. I will take sin x. Then dt is cos x dx. I am directly writing with the differentiation dt by dx and differentiation of sin x. Then what we get dt by dx. Then sin x means cos x. Directly written. Okay. Now come to the solution. Sin to the power of 3x cos to the power of 3x dx. Okay, sin to the power of 3x. Then we have to split cos to the power of 3x. Cos square x cos x dx. Then therefore we know that sin cube x, cos square x means 1 minus sin square x. Therefore cos x dx. We know that cos x dx is dt, and we can write this is in terms of x terms. We have to convert into the t terms. T to the power of 3 1 minus t square dt. Then t to the power of 3 minus t to the power of 5 integral dt. And separately write t to the power of 3 dt minus integral t to the power of 5 dt. Okay, now it is in the form of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, then t to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus t to the power of 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c. Therefore t to the power of 4 by 4 minus t to the power of 6 by 6 plus c. Therefore what is t? T is sin to the power of 4x by 4 minus sin to the power of 6x by 6 plus c.